Welcome back to ARC Las Vegas. All right, we're talking about the future. We're talking about the now. We're talking about big tech. And police can now use AI to track suspects without facial recognition and suspect vehicles without even having to read license plates, solving cases faster. So coming in live right now, we have Veritone's very own CEO, Ryan Steelberg. And Ryan, I'm very curious. What is Veritone and how can it help law enforcement?
You know, we're an enterprise AI company. We started about 10 years ago, ironically, analyzing lots of audio and video for media and entertainment customers like the ESPNs and Disneys. And we have figured out a way to apply that great technology to surveillance video, body cameras, and other video sources for public safety. And so specifically what we're talking about here is our ability to track people of interest or vehicles without using biometric markers like facial detection or license plates. And obviously, if we're talking about consumer privacy laws and PII information, this is a revolutionary new technology that we could do at scale. So again, we can help track and find the bad guy without compromising the integrity or personal PII information for the average citizen that may be in the footage itself. So we're thrilled and we're starting to roll this out across the country.
All right, Ryan, break this all down for me. I'm very interested right now. What challenges currently do law enforcement officers have when it comes to tracking suspects?
It is a huge data problem. These police officers and sheriffs, they are no longer out there just collecting information with their eyes. They are data collection mode all the time. There's surveillance cameras, again, body cameras, citizen upload. We're talking about a huge volume of content and data that has to be ingested and analyzed. Humans without tools can't do it anymore. AI has proven to be a great solution for sifting through all that tonnage of audio and video, again, quickly, even if it's across cameras, which is so incredible. The ability to find that one car, that Ford, the Escalade car with a dent on the side, and you may not see, or the license plate may be obscured. I always like to say is, crime, unfortunately, they typically, unlike you and I who are trying to look in the camera, right? Other people are trying to hide themselves. So often the face is not even an option. So how do we track that person, hypothetically, with the black hat and the red backpack who may be running across different camera feeds? Veritone Track solves that problem. We like to call it internally, it's our version of Jason Bourne, if you know the movie.
I love that movie, one of my favorite series. So, okay, this is blowing my mind right now. How exactly does this AI work and what is the accuracy on it?
The accuracy has improved tremendously. So how it works is we can either extract, so if it's a person of interest, meaning there's a suspicious person, and I'll just use that one example, right? Wearing the black hat and the red backpack that may be lingering around a sporting event. We can identify that, so the software will capture that object, build a model around that object, and then from that point forward or in real time, it can scan the video, that same video feed itself, or any video feed before or after, looking for a probabilistic, I would say, probability of that person who matches it.
Right.
Just give you a good example how accurate it can be is one of our clients, not on the security side, but one of our media customers is the Masters Golf Tournament. Mm-hmm. We can actually identify the nuances and differences between caddies, right, who are all dressed exactly the same. So that's one example of how we can do it, and the accuracy it improves frankly, it improves every single few months.
Ryan, that is impressive stuff right there. Thank you very much. For those of you at home, you can check them out at Veritone.com. It's right there on the bottom of your screen, and the CEO of the company himself, Ryan, thank you so much for coming by. You have a beautiful day.
Have a great day. Bye.
Thank you, sir.